Hi everybody, my name is Sonal and I recently started posting YouTube shorts. This is my very first full-length YouTube video and I'm so excited to share it with you. Over the past month, I've been learning to draw flowers. It's something I have wanted to try for a long time, but for some reason, I kept putting it off. The same thing happened with posting my first YouTube video. I kept meaning to do it but couldn't quite get started. But I finally made it happen and here we are. Now about my flower drawing journey. At first, I was just learning random flowers here and there, but it didn't feel structured. That's when I thought, why not give it some direction? So I came up with the Alphabetical Flower Series, a project where I would draw one flower for each letter of the alphabet. Let me tell you, this turned out to be the best decision I have made in a long time. Not only did I get into the habit of drawing every single day, but I also discovered a new flower daily. 26 flowers in total by the end of the month. Can you imagine 26 flowers? When I started, I began with simple flowers that were easy to sketch, gradually challenging myself with more complex designs. My process was straightforward. I would create a rough sketch on a regular paper, and once I was happy with it, I would finalize it on proper drawing paper. The entire experience was so much fun, full of learning, and honestly, eye-opening. It showed me that even small, consistent efforts can lead to something amazing. If there is something you have been waiting to learn, I would recommend giving yourself a month to focus on it. Start small, build on it every day, and by the end of the month, you will be amazed at what you have achieved. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you spending your time here with me. Let me know in the comments which of my 26 flower sketches did you like the most. And if you enjoyed this video, I think you are going to like what I have planned next. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's keep creating together. See you soon.